Hello, welcome to my ham shack. My radio is Yaesu Fox Tango 950. Very cool, nice little radio with a lot of DSP functions. I really love this little Yaesu radio. Of course, I have computer and I'm running HRD Deluxe, nice free software for log programs, and my amplifier is here. I run about 1.5 kilowatts for HF, and cooling system is in garage because of noise. So it's a lot more nicer when blower is in the next room. This amplifier is done by GS35B Russian tube, and I have around 3 kilovolts on anode. When I key my amplifier, it's a little bit lower. Anode current is around 0.8 amperes when I key my amplifier, and grid current is around 300 milliamps. Power meter is not functional. I use commercial power meter, and there is around 1.5 kilowatts when I send. Okay, this is this Russian tube GS35B is a very nice tube for home projects, because it's for VHF and it's very stable tube for lower frequencies. No problems at all. Very simple triode to work with. Okay, thanks for watching.